Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a LeetCode question, average selling price. Here we have prices table and units sold. We'll jump into the question. Write a solution to find the average selling price for each product. Average price should be rounded to 2 decimal places. If your product does not have any sold units, its average selling price is assumed to be 0. So here we have one example test case which contains prices table and units sold table. We'll see output for this table, and we'll analyze the how output is generated here. So for product ID 1, we have two records here, start date and end date, and we need to see we need to find the averaging price for product ID 1 and product ID 2. Here the average price is 5 and 20 with respect to start dates and end dates, and there are units sold are 10 100 and 15 with respect to that purchasing dates. So this purchasing date should be in between start date and end date, then only we consider this as a valid purchase date. So we need to consider that day condition too while writing the solution for this question. So before going to the solution, please pause the video and try for your solution. Hope you will get the solution, and I'm jumping into the solution. First I will do select. So here in output table we need product ID and average price. So this I will take, and from prices. So here for average price we need units and prices, right? So prices are in prices column is in prices table, and unit column is in units sold table. So for that I am using alias names to access these columns. So here we have so for average I will do sum as. Here we need to take prices from prices table into units from units table, and units sum of units. Here we will get average of price, right? That's why I'm using. So this is one part, and here we need to uh, print only rounded to 2 decimal places. And there is another condition that product does not, if the product does not have any sold units, then its average selling price is assumed to be 0 if there is a null. So we need to consider, convert that null into 0. For that I'm using call as function. It will take this as one value, and if it is null, then it will mark the result as 0. And we have another thing to do, like we need to round off this result. So it will take two parameters. One is whatever the number you are giving, and how many decimal points you want to round to. So here we got like uh, this units we are taking from this units sold table, right? For that I'm using left join with units sold table. I will give units sold table name as u, so that we can use here simply u dot. Okay, we need to give the condition to join these two tables, right? Here we have one common in these two tables, that is product id. So p dot product id should be equal to u dot product id, and I already mentioned that this product id purchase date should be between start date and end date. So I will mention that condition too, should be between start date and end date. After joining, we are grouping the output by product id, right? Here you can observe, here we have duplicate IDs like 1 1, and 1 is repeating 1 2 times, 2 is repeating 2 times here. So for that we need to not to eliminate duplicates, but we need all the sum of that particular product ID, right? So if we contain three prices, I mean three prices on three different dates, we need to sum up all the different dates where any person, I mean product ID, is sold or not. So for that we are using group by here, group by clause for product ID. So this is the solution for this question. We'll run and see whether it is working fine or not. Hope it will work. Yeah, here you can say this is the output and this is the expected output. So both are equal. We'll try for hidden test cases too, whether it is working fine for hidden test cases for this question or not. Yeah, this is working fine. Yeah guys, this is the question and this is the solution for it. And please do subscribe. If you have any queries, please do comment. I will reach out to you. Thank you. Bye bye.